Bas, the question is, do you have cross elasticities between products? It depends a little bit on how you, from what context you're asking this question. Yeah, I think a lot of products could have cross elasticities. That's of course something to be aware of. In the previous webinar, we discussed this topic, elasticity and cross elasticity. But of course, yeah, you and also in terms of sensitivity, you could have products that are related to each other, and to some extent, the price sensitivity model covers that, and because we try to group products with the same sensitivity. And with elasticity, yeah, you're looking more at an individual product basis. So I need a little bit more context to answer your question the right way. But the short answer is yes. Maybe Roy, do you have?
No, yeah, that's what I wanted to say as well. So I can see, yes, there is cross elasticity between products, and yes, it's been accounted for in the model. The question is, depending on how do you want to account for it in the model, we can make adjustments towards it. So yes, we are aware of the cross elasticities. Yes, they happen, and yes, they are taken care of in the model.